Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best lash tweezers is probably one of the most important tools for achieving a flawless eyelash cluster application, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. Finding the right pair can significantly impact the precision, speed, and overall look of your lash extensions, ensuring that each cluster is placed perfectly for a natural and glamorous finish. From the material and grip to the tip shape and overall design, the right tweezers can make all the difference in your lash application process, leading to stunning results and happy clients. Number 5. Pretty Memory Lash Applicator. Applying false eyelashes has never been easier. This elegant tool helps you achieve a natural look, whether you're a beginner or a pro. It's a game changer for your makeup routine. Made from durable stainless steel, it provides a gentle yet secure grip. Its ergonomic design allows for quick and easy adjustment of your lashes without causing damage. Its slim, crescent-shaped tip is perfect for applying individual lashes, clusters, or full strips. The dovetail end makes it a stylish addition to your makeup bag. At 4.4 inches long, it's the perfect size for travel and fits easily in your purse. Ideal for makeup salons, studios, or personal use, making lash application 10 times faster. It features a protective cap to prevent scratches and damage. This ensures it's a long-lasting and reliable tool for all your lash needs. What we like? It has an ergonomic design for easy handling and is made of durable stainless steel. If you're a beginner or want a tool that's easy to use and will last, this is a great choice. Its sleek design also makes it perfect for travel and professional use. What people say? Purchased as a replacement for one that I lost. I use this after applying full strip lashes. Once the lashes are on, I put a coat of mascara on and then use these to pinch the strip lashes to my natural lash. Works very well. Easy to hold. Absolutely love this in the rose gold color. It's a well-shaped design that fits comfortably in my hand and makes it easier and quicker to apply lashes. I work cluster lashes and needed a tool that would allow me to easily place them under my natural lashes. This tool works perfectly for that. It has a good grip and is very light. It's also small so you can take it with you on the go. I like the curved shape because it allows me to squeeze the cluster lashes against my lashes easily. I've purchased a few different applicators and this one is my favorite. Number 4. Mink ADD Lash Extension Kit. Get ready to experience effortless, professional-looking lash extensions from the comfort of your own home. This complete kit has everything you need for a glamorous look. Inside, you'll find 240 individual mink lash clusters, a lash bond and seal, and an applicator. It's everything you need for a full, luscious look. These aren't your average lashes. They're made with the finest materials for softness, thickness, and long-lasting wear. They'll give you a natural, fuller look. Create your perfect look. With various lengths and volumes, you can customize your lashes for any occasion, from a casual day to a special night out. Applying these lashes is a breeze. Simply roll the lash band, apply the bond, place the clusters, and seal. It's that simple. As a professional brand, we're dedicated to providing high-quality products that help you look and feel your best. Get salon-quality lashes without the salon price. What we like? This kit comes with everything you need for DIY lash extensions, including high-quality ADD mink lashes. If you want to achieve a full, luxurious lash look at home without salon costs, this is the perfect option. The step-by-step instructions make application simple. What people say? The tweezer is easy to use while the bond and seal combination is non-messy and dries clear, giving the lashes a clean, natural look. Additionally, retention is greater than a week when cared properly. This lash cluster kit is one of my go-to kits. It has a pretty even mix of short and long clusters, so it looks natural. If you want a more full look, you can double up, and it still looks full and natural. These lashes are so easy to apply and last about 7 days. Even when on holiday in 38 degrees heat, they still remained perfectly intact until I removed them. After 7 days, they are very easy to remove and then cleanse the eye to remove any excess glue. Number 3. Kiss Falscara Wisp Applicator. Say goodbye to messy lash application. This applicator makes placing individual lashes a breeze, even for beginners. Create a natural, customized look with ease. Achieve flawless lash placement with this ergonomically designed applicator. It's designed to gently guide the wisps under your natural lashes for a seamless, undetectable look. These 24 cruelty-free synthetic lashes are reusable up to 3 times, offering incredible value and minimizing waste. Build your perfect lash look again and again. Unlike traditional false lashes, these wisps are applied underneath your natural lashes. The result? A beautiful, natural enhancement that looks completely effortless. Get salon-quality lash extensions at home. It's easy to create stunning DIY lash looks with this applicator and our complete Falscara system. Save money and time. As a global leader in beauty, KISS empowers you to achieve professional results at home. With our easy-to-use tools and high-quality products, creating a stunning look has never been simpler. What we like? Its unique design helps prevent mistakes when applying lashes, and the lashes themselves are reusable. If you're looking for a natural, customizable lash look that's easy to apply and remove, and want to save money on salon visits, then this is for you. What people say. The design is sleek and ergonomic, making it incredibly easy to grip and maneuver. What I love most about this applicator is its precision. It allows for precise placement of the false lashes right at the lash line, giving a seamless and natural look. I really love this for all under-lash applications. They're not clunky, easy to hold and move around, sturdy. I can get a great fuse on each cluster, and they also hold the tips of the clusters perfectly without that lash turning or moving while applying to my natural lashes. The applicator is designed perfectly to grab the wisps and place them exactly where I want them, making the process much less frustrating than using traditional tweezers. Number 2. Beauty Eyelash Extension Tweezers. These tweezers are crafted from 100% surgical-grade stainless steel, ensuring they're durable and easy to sterilize. They're perfect for both professional lash artists and those applying lashes at home. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these tweezers make applying and removing false eyelashes a breeze. Its precision design helps create a flawless look. These handy tools help you quickly and easily apply or remove false eyelashes. Say goodbye to messy application and hello to perfectly placed lashes. It's ideal for separating natural eyelashes during grafting, ensuring a natural and beautiful result. The precision tip makes even the most delicate work easy. The innovative design provides a comfortable grip and allows for precise placement of individual lashes. It's designed to make applying false eyelashes easier and more comfortable than ever before. The unique fishtail shape securely holds a larger portion of the eyelashes, allowing for better control and a more dramatic look. It helps emphasize the natural curve of your lashes for a stunning effect. What we like? Made from 100% surgical-grade stainless steel, it's incredibly durable and can be sterilized. If you need a high-quality, versatile tool for various lash applications, including professional use, and prioritize hygiene and longevity, this is the one for you. What people say. This is the only applicator I'll ever use to apply lash clusters. I've tried using other tweezers, but this one has a better grip because it's a little thicker, the build of it isn't overly curvy, and it looks and feels clean. I've been using the store version of this applicator, which are much thicker than this one. I am very impressed and loving how slim light-weighted this lash tweezer is. I used to grab the lash from the set and it holds very well. The tweezers has been a fantastic addition to my beauty routine. This versatile tool, designed for eyelash extensions, combines precision and ease of use. The tweezers are perfectly angled, making it simple to apply or remove lashes with minimal effort. The nipper feature is particularly handy for trimming and adjusting extensions to achieve a flawless look. Number 1. Miuffue Lash Applicator. Applying false lashes has never been easier. Its smooth, curved design makes it simple to grip and place your lashes perfectly. This sleek tool provides excellent control. You'll achieve a flawless application every time, with ease and precision. Made from durable stainless steel, it's built to last. Enjoy effortless lash application for years to come. Whether you're a beginner or a makeup pro, it simplifies the process. Its user-friendly design makes it perfect for everyone. It's not just for application. Use it to remove, adjust, or fix your false lashes with ease. Miuffue is dedicated to making eyelash applications simple and quick. We focus on providing high-quality tools for a flawless look. What we like? The curved design makes it easy to grip and apply lashes, and it's made from durable stainless steel. If you want a tool that makes applying cluster lashes quick and easy, and you appreciate a comfortable, secure grip, this is a great option for you. What people say. The grip is good, so you don't need to worry about things slipping out. This applicator works well to provoke stability, positioning and sealing the lash to one's eyelashes. Easy to gripe the lash and manipulate it with this tool. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.